Hello, this is how you do the mod on the x27 168 stepper motor. This is the motor. As you can see, it's closed by 4 clips. What you need: screwdriver, small one, and a little knife. First we're going to do, you see here, you can wiggle your screwdriver between it and it will click open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Just hold it a little bit together that it don't fall apart. Now you can take off the top. Here you see the coils, the little motor and the 2 spurs. Take out the top one and push the other one aside. Here you can see if it wants to focus on it, a little point. That point will stop the motor to see its first and its last position where it can get. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this little piece off. Watch out for your fingers, be careful with it. Click, here it is. Now it's nice and smooth. Take it back on its position where it was. Pick it up. Put the cover back over it. Until everything snaps back together. Now you can feel on the axle that it keeps on turning. Remember that when you do this, you need an external end and beginning stop, that the motor knows where the beginning is and the end. Sometimes you can use an IR, sometimes you can use a switch, and sometimes you can make your own stops on the end and the beginning. Now, thank you for watching. This is how you do the stepper mod x27 to 360 degrees. Thank you for watching.